Empowering brands has such an empowering mission behind it. And I think it really puts a spotlight on diversity, how everyone's different, and how everyone needs different, resources in order to be successful. So I guess the main question here is like, what do you think maintenance and trades companies can implement so that diversity, inclusion, equity all become part of this like integral piece of the organization?
A lot of it is that we need to be able to have access to this kind of table, access to the tools that we need to succeed. And so that's different in every one of these kind of categories or job experiences. But at the end of the day, if somebody is trying to grow in an area, they should have access to that tool. And they should, be giving that opportunity to learn. Some of the times when we get to the top, especially for women, the C-suite is dominated by males. We also need to look at, once we get everyone in the room, let's say we have a diverse team, is everybody being heard? Is everybody having the same opportunity? Is everyone allowed access to the leadership? They may need something that we're not thinking about. So the diversity of thought is also very important, that we hear from everyone to make those better decisions. I mean, I've seen so many different organizations with, all white males in this leadership role. And I have nothing against white males. I want to say that, but at the end of the day, they don't know what a woman might need in that situation, right? They don't know what people of color might need in that situation. So it's things that you don't recognize when there's not other people that aren't like you in the room. And that's not just race or gender. It could be, having your engineering team talk to the operators and maintenance, having everybody talk to each other across those different, skill sets and jobs. And then we can come up with a plan that can lead to more efficient systems.
This idea of diversity of thought and creating this open dialogue where anyone can speak their mind always leads to better decisions being made. And I think that's something that often gets called overlooked, is the importance of diversity of thought.